Hello, kids! Welcome to our fun and exciting learning channel. Today, we are going to solve a super fun word problem about addition. Are you ready? Let's get started. Oh, look here. This is today's question. The problem says, there are 65 boys and 25 girls in a school. How many students are there in total? That's something to think about, right? Let's solve this step by step. First, let's write down the number of boys. The number of boys is 65. Now, let's write down the number of girls. The number of girls is 25. Now, we need to add these two numbers. When we add, we always start with the ones column. So, what do we have in the ones column? 5 and 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great! We write 0 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens column. Now it's time for the tens column. In the tens column, we have 6 and 2. Let's add these. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And don't forget to add the one we carried over. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Ta-da! The total number of students is 90. There are 90 students in the school. See how easy that was? That's it for today's lesson, kids. Now, you can practice solving word problems like this at home. If you had fun learning with us, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.